In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the new ShareTheBoard Zoom Companion App. So to get started, please make sure that you're logged into both Zoom and to ShareTheBoard. And here on ShareTheBoard's dashboard, you'll go to this Apps menu, click Add to Zoom, and then provide permission for the application to be added to your Zoom account. By the way, make sure that you are in fact logged in to the correct Zoom account. If you have multiple accounts, that's just something to look out for. But you'll go ahead and click Allow, and then open zoom.us to be taken back to the Zoom desktop application. Please note that all Zoom apps, including our own, will not work on the Zoom web app. So you do have to have the Zoom desktop application open to be able to use our new Zoom app. Here inside of Zoom, you'll go ahead and join a meeting or start a new meeting as you normally would. And after that, once you have the application added, it's a pretty straightforward process of using it during a meeting. So you do that by clicking Apps, then clicking the name of the app. Disregard that it appears 3 times here. For you, it'll appear only once. Once I click that, the name of the application, ShareTheBoard Whiteboard Camera, it begins launching right here in this sidebar. And because I'm already logged in to ShareTheBoard, it prompts me to go ahead and start a new session. If I hadn't been logged in, it would first require me to do so. Then I'll click Start New Session, which immediately takes me back to my dashboard. And from here, hopefully the process is familiar. So I'll start a session. I'll tell the application where to focus by confirming my work area. And now I can go back into Zoom. And there it is. The content is already beginning to stream and sort of show up directly inside of Zoom, as you can see. All that remains to be done is to invite my Zoom attendees to be able to collaborate with me in this application. And the way I do that is by clicking Share and specifying that I want all participants to be able to join. They'll get this little invitation pops up, which just gives them an opportunity to also confirm they want access. And at that point, everything happens right here. So whether I'm writing on the board, they're contributing with digital annotations, it all happens in one place. No need to open multiple applications, multiple windows. It's all right here. And every single feature of ShareTheBoards, including board memory or digital intelligent transcription, all in one place. So it really is a seamless experience once you get started. That's it. Hopefully you'll find that's pretty simple. But if you get stuck at any point, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to walk you through the process. Thanks.